How to pin messages in Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to pin an important message, then first of all, open the Signal application on your Android or your iOS or even on your desktop. Make sure that you're logged into your Signal account. And once you are logged in, go ahead and open up a conversation that contains the message you want to pin. After opening up the conversation, go ahead and select the message you want to pin, press and hold it, and in the pop-up, click Pin. Now, select the time duration when you want the message to be pinned for. After making a selection, you will be able to pin the message at the top of your conversation page. You can also unpin it later by tapping on the pin button at the top and clicking on Unpin. So that's how you pin and unpin a message in Signal. You can pin important announcements, reminders, or shared information so they are always easy to find. This is mostly helpful while you want to pin a conversation in a group message. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.